Oh, let's see.
What?
It's been sitting for 7 months.
7?
Oh,
I didn't know that.
let's try. Huh? No? Maybe need some more juice. Go. Oh boy, that sounds fun. Come on. Here we go. Talk shit about Mystery Oil. Yeah. It's good. Sounds great for sitting forever. Put the winter car away for winter, because it's sucked in winter. Time to get it out of its hole. Get rid of the stupid thing or something. But there's our long-awaited Mystery Oil update. Didn't kill my car, I just got sick of the car. I got a new one. Yeah. Baby! Yeah! Yeah, that's your car, isn't it? All right. Well, that's that. It's alive, it didn't die. That's not why I haven't seen it. But, other than that, oh boy. Thank you, sweetie. Threw my screwdriver in there, that's fine.
Here.